All right, I got some more Rush for you. This is Freewill. We're going to start out with this riff here. Okay, so we got third string, 10, 9, 7. 10, 9, 7 on the D string also there. So we got 10, 8 on the A. Then we're going to start on the D string, go 10, 9, 7, 10, 8, 7, 10, 8. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our new riff is, that's a big F note, first fret, E string, 1, 1, 3 on that C note, and then B, A, G, 2, O, 3 there. So, and then we're gonna go 1, 1, 3, 2, open on the D string, 2 to 3 on the A, hammer on, open G string. So we got. Then we're going to get into some chords here. We have part of an F chord, 2, 1, 1, from the G string going down. Kind of slide into the G chord here, 4, 3, 3. And that's a C chord. We have 9, 8, 8 down here. So it's. Now here we're going to have D shapes. This is a G chord and an F chord. So that's 7th fret, little D shape, just those 3 strings. And then 5th fret. So we have. That's the first half of this. Now the second half's going to go. So that's F, G, G, F, 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 and then C, G. So. Okay, we're going to do that whole thing again. We're going to go. Okay, so that sets up our verse. Our verse is going to go. So 1, 1, 3, 2, 0, 3, and then 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2. So we have a, then another C note here, 2, O on the D, C, D, E. So the verse again is. Okay, then the third line of this, third measure of this verse. Okay, so the third measure there started like the first one. Then this one's gonna go. Okay, that was the 1, 1, 3, 2, open on the D. B to C over here in the A string. To that G note. Now the next line is. So that one had like an extra 3 in it there. This one has 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. And then we have 2 more lines here. So this one has extra notes there a little bit. 2, 0, 3, 0, 2. Then we get into a bridge. So let's go over everything we did so far. We got beginning. Okay, now our bridge is going to be 2, open 2, starting on the A string here. So you can hit that chord, 202, 2 times. Then we have open on the bottom, then 3, then 2. And the first one is kind of staccato in these. We're going to take our bass from the 2 to the 1 on the A string. So we have 1, open, and 2. Same high notes thing. And then we're going to have 3, 3, 5 over here starting on the A string. And on the bottom we have 3, 6, and 5. So it's. Then we're going to switch to this C power chord, 3, 5, 5. And then I'm going to jump these fingers down to get the 3, 5, 5. So we got. Okay, so we went back to the 202 in those notes and the 102 in those notes. Then we're going to have. And this one changes kind of each time as the song goes along, so I'm not going to go too much into that. As a basic thing, it's kind of like D, 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 and then do that sus with the pinky in there. Kind of like that. Okay, and then we're going to have that. Okay, then we're into the chorus. We're going to have a D chord like this, 0, 2, 3. And we're fingering it like that, obviously, because we got to get up to that C sharp note 4 on the A string. So we got 0, 2, 3, part of a D chord, to the 4. So those are all in a row. And then we have the 2, 3 to an open A. So it's. And then B power chord, 2, 4, 4. A bass. To the 2, 2 of an A power chord, one more A there. So we got. Then we're going to go G chord. And this is a D chord with an F sharp bass. You can do that a variety of ways, but. And that's an A. 0, 2, 2, and 5. Different way of doing an A. Strum, 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 and then back to the D. So this one is E power chord, 0, 2, 2, and then the big notes of like that D with the F sharp bass, 2, 0, 0, A, 2 more hits on that, and then. Now this last time we're going to go G, D with the F sharp bass, D chord. Okay, then we're back into what I'm calling part C. Okay, that was our part C. That's like a little section from the first verse. Okay, then we're going to get into part B, which is the chords thing we did in the beginning. Okay, that sets up our next verse. So our next verse will be the same as it was before. We got. Back to our bridge. Okay, and it goes through that twice, then we're going to be in the chorus again. Then we have a new section I'm calling part D. We're going to go. And then he's into the solo. We are not going to mess with that solo. That is a burner. So we got a 4 to 5 on the A string. One more 5 down to the 7 on the D. 5, 4 on the D. And then the same thing over here, 2 to 3. 5, 3, 2. Then we go 3 to 5. 5, 8 on the D. 5, 8. 3 to 5 on the D. 7, 5, 8. And then our riff up here from the beginning. We only go that far. And then a little 7 to 8 on the B string gets that solo started. So the new part again was. Okay, then the solo is going to end with that riff. You're back into the bridge. A couple times of that, you got your chorus again. And then the last time this is going to go G to D, and then we're into that D part again. And then at the end of the song, we're going to go, we're going to add that other one. And on a G. All right, Freewill by Rush. I'm reading Geddy's book. It's super awesome. I've just got to the Hemispheres album, which is one of my favorites. So how about the first chord that starts that with? All right, more on that coming up. Got some tab for this. Hope you all dig it. Talk to y'all soon. By the way, that chord was a F sharp major chord with an open B and an open E. So it's like a F sharp 9, but also an F sharp sus 4. Go Rush. Talk to y'all soon.